I read, guys. Don't be surprised, guys. I do like to read cute little books for my enjoyment, and I've been craving a good read for now. So, if you guys see these, I'm putting y'all on right now for all my people out there that like to read these kind of books. Go ahead and get you. There's like a few more other stories. But yeah, bruh. Get into it. Oh, this is so cute. I couldn't find that one. I'll probably come back later and find the other one. So this one looks fun. And the last but not least, twins. How cute. But yes, I enjoyed these books. Well, I haven't read them yet, but if you think these look cool, go check it out. I don't know. I'll tell y'all the feedback later. Now we got these books, and we gonna read them.